Dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence with us as we discuss two amazing AI models, ChatGPT and Gemini. ChatGPT, engineered by OpenAI, is a language prediction model that's redefining human-machine interaction. It's like your digital chatterbox. On the other hand, we have Gemini, a dynamic AI model from OpenAI, designed to learn and adapt to complex tasks. The comparison between these two is significant as they are key players in this AI-driven era. Both ChatGPT and Gemini have transformed the way we interact with machines. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's find out. Unravel the prowess of ChatGPT, a model that has revolutionized conversational AI. Its uncanny ability to generate human-like text makes it a game-changer, with applications ranging from customer service to content creation. However, it's not without its flaws. Sometimes, ChatGPT can produce nonsensical responses, and there's also the potential for misuse in the wrong hands. While ChatGPT has its strengths and weaknesses, it has undoubtedly set a high bar in AI conversation technology. Switching gears to Gemini, another AI model that's making waves in the tech world. Gemini's key strengths lie in its superior understanding of context and ability to handle complex tasks. It's like having a virtual assistant that can juggle multiple tasks at once. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Gemini does require a lot of resources, and its performance can be limited in certain domains. Despite these challenges, Gemini, with its own set of pros and cons, provides a unique approach to artificial intelligence, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. So how do these two AI powerhouses compare? Well, we've learned that ChatGPT shines with its incredible human-like text generation, while Gemini impresses with its advanced context understanding. Remember, ChatGPT has its limitations in creating original thoughts, and Gemini can sometimes miss the nuances of human conversation. Yet both models have pushed the boundaries of what's possible in AI technology. Whether it's ChatGPT with its human-like text generation, or Gemini with its advanced context understanding, both models represent significant advancements in AI technology, each with their unique strengths and challenges.